Good morning! You're watching Tap in Time. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're not already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So, without further ado, let's tap in time. In today's video, we're going to be working on our double time steps with a double break turning on the right and left leg. So, let's begin. If you haven't already, be sure to check out the playlist Time Steps that is up on the channel, as I run through how to perform the time steps in more detail. So, standing in parallel with our knees slightly bent, we're going to rise onto the balls of our feet like so, and starting with the right leg first, we're going to perform the double time steps. Next, we have a double break turning. A normal double break would look like this. However, we are going to turn this break moving clockwise, like so. Perfect! Let's move on to the left leg. So we're going to perform the double time steps, but first, feet in parallel, knees slightly bent, rising onto the balls of our feet. Next, we have a double break turning. A normal break would look like this. However, we are going to turn this break moving anti-clockwise, like so. Perfect! Now let's piece together the double time steps with a double break turning on the right and left leg. So standing in parallel with our knees slightly bent, we're going to rise onto the balls of our feet. Perfect! So there you have it, the double time steps with a double break turning.